Good morning and welcome. Today I'm travelling from Kuala Lumpur to Hati in southern Thailand, and I'm doing all this on a train. So got my bags packed. It's 7 a.m. and I will be checking out. I'll be doing some GoPro chest mount footage, and then I'll be doing some videos on the train, show what the train's like as well, and yeah, hope you enjoy. Let's go. So, let me tell you about the importance of being early. I was under the assumption that I needed to get the KL Central train. And I went to that station. I handed in what I believe was my ticket, and he told me, no, you need to go to Kuala Lumpur station. So I kind of panicked a bit, and then I got my ticket, so I had to get a ticket. That's why you've seen the footage of me getting on and off a train quickly. And you're probably thinking to yourself, why did he get on and off a train when he just got a Grab taxi? Well, because I made a mistake. Then I came here and I handed the guy a piece of paper that I printed out months ago in preparation, all getting prepared, very ready. But he said, that's the receipt. Where's your actual ticket? And I'm like, this is the ticket, is it not? And he's like, no. So I turn on my phone, and sure enough, there's no internet connection. The data on the Wi-Fi wasn't, the data on the cellular wasn't working. So I went outside to try to get reception. No data. My mobile data is not working for whatever reason, and it's twice today where it's actually messed me up because I couldn't order a Grab taxi from the hotel either after checking out, because I thought the checking out would have taken some time, so I didn't want the taxi driver waiting. So I came out, and then I was like, do you know what? The hotel had free Wi-Fi, so I'll just chance my arm. And luckily enough, there was Wi-Fi. So I connected to the Wi-Fi, and I got into my emails, and I went in and I showed him the emails. But the email that I had only had the receipt. So he again took the receipts and then typed in a few numbers and printed off my ticket. Now, the importance of being early is I was able to sort all that out. I think it was 10 or 15 minutes from one train station to the next on the train, but I had to wait. Then I had to come out and get the emails and then go back in and get my ticket. So all in all, I'd say I spent about 40 minutes. Now, if I had arrived 10 minutes early or 20 minutes early before my train, I would have missed it. So I gave myself a lot of extra time. When you're traveling, especially on a complex holiday as this is, always make sure you leave plenty of time for things to go wrong, because nearly everything has gone wrong today. Checking out was fine. As you've seen, it was just walk up, hand them the card, and I was out. I thought that would have taken a bit of time. Then the Grab app wasn't working because my data wasn't working. Then I went to the wrong station, and then the guy at the ticket counter said, where's the ticket? So yeah, there's a few things there that went wrong, and it could have been horribly wrong if I had left it, arrive on time. So just be careful when you're traveling. yeah. Anyway, happy news. I have about an hour before I have to check in. It seems to be something about waiting an hour in this country. I'm always waiting an hour. I was waiting an hour for the lights. I was waiting an hour for the hop on, hop off bus. I was waiting an hour to check in. So, yeah. Hopefully the rest of this goes fairly smooth. Once I'm on the train, I'm happy. You know, just a bit of anxiety, and we'll get there. And then border crossing today, and then waiting for a taxi, and then checking in, and then I have to book tomorrow's things when I'm in Hatyai, so I have to figure that one out as well. So yeah, stay tuned for this fun adventure. Guys, that was the train journey. It wasn't actually too bad. It was a bit busy on the train, so I didn't want to disturb people with recording. It's actually arrived bang on time as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end it now shortly. I just have to get my bag here, oversized, and what I'm going to do is walk down to where the immigration starts, and obviously I can't record there, so we're going to end it there. So I'm going to turn it into a walking video now in a second. You can't tell me the deck is stacked. You can't whisper behind my back. You can't show me how the odds are up against me.
me all day long, but I've been through the fire and come out alive, and there's no more fear in my eyes. Oh, now I'm rising, and you can't bring me down. You can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. My feet have come too far for you to tie them to the ground. You can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going at and turn it back around. You can't stop me now. You can't stop me. All the blood, sweat, and sacrifice. I paid the dearest price. There no shortcuts here for destiny. I'll take the long way proud. Oh, I know what I've earned, and now it's my turn. Lighting the fuse, let it burn. My time is rising, and you can't bring me down. Can't stop me now. You can't stop me now. My feet have come too far for you to tie them to the ground. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going at and turn it back around. Can't stop me. Can't stop me now. No, 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 no. Can't stop me now. This is the calm before the storm. You know what's coming, so be warned. You can't stop me now. You can't stop me now. Though my feet have come too far for you to tie them to the ground. Can't stop me now. You can't stop me now.
Wasn't recording that. Okay. So basically, apparently I have to walk 6 kilometers now. Or I could have got a taxi, but on principle, I'm not getting a taxi. It's a big scam. The police closed off the barrier that gives you easy access to the border. Like, it's literally you walk down that flight of stairs and you're there. So they get you out the front door, right up. Lots of taxi drivers. You know, you're lost, you're confused, you don't know where you're going. So I'm going this way. I'm going to take a left. I'm going to walk. It's hot. It's annoying with the bag, but I'm pretty sure the taxi scam, the prices are ridiculously high. So I'm not even going to bother. So Google Maps came to the rescue where I'm going. And yeah, I'm going to end the video here. But, or should I end the video here? Because I told you I wanted to get you to immigration. So what I'll do is I'll turn this corner. You can see where I'm going. And I'll record at the end for my next turn. So follow this road till the next one. Okay, you come to here. I'm assuming the left because every car is coming from the left. And yeah, just do something stupid like me. Just go for it. Okay, your man might have been right about it being 6 kilometers because that's the train station in there. And I don't recall a bridge. So anyway, good way to finish it off. Nice good walk. Good exercise, you know. Risking my life. La da 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 da. But you know, if I upload this video, I made it. So you gotta have failures with a trip like this. So it's expected. It is what it is. This just adds insult to injury. The wheel is after coming off, and I haven't even gotten halfway there. Ah, what a nightmare. See how far we can go. So I've seen all the cars go left here, so I think this brings me underneath. Then I have to get there. By the way, shout out to Tucci, shoecase manufacturer, who's done an absolute terrible job. So let's see how this works out. Well, I made it out there alive. We're on the other side of the tracks, and then we just have to take a left, I think, and then it's straight up to the border. This is an absolute nightmare. Pay the bloody taxi fare. Regardless of what it is, pay the bloody taxi fare. You know, you're getting close to the border and you see a lot of trucks lined up. And I think you take this little sideway, but again, just following the trucks. Come to a roundabout, and one of the left is to get into the border. So, okay, then you make it up to this roundabout. Now you have immigration. Right, I'm going to take a minute and put this camera down. I'm done on this video. I'd be surprised if I don't cry today after today's events. Anyway, oh, and by the way, that's the train station right there.